waiting in cages, never taking aim. Outside the sky waits beckoning, just beyond the bars. How can you remain staring at the rain, running by the stars? How is it you see anything? How is it you see? My cage has many rooms, dim as skin dark. Nothing there seems, not even my love. Perhaps never will you know when led captive. Teach me to be more adaptive. Green finch and linnet bird, nightingale, blackbird, teach me how to